Let's see how solar panels are made. Truman, from raw sand to clean electricity.
It all starts with high-purity silica sand. Extreme heat converts sand into raw silicon. Silicon is purified to 99.999% for solar use. Single crystal ingots are grown slowly for perfect structure. The ingot is shaped and trimmed for wafer slicing. Polishing creates a clean surface for wafer cutting. Diamond wire saws slice the ingot into ultra-thin wafers.
Wafers are cleaned to remove microparticles.
AI scans every wafer for cracks.
A PECVD chamber applies the blue anti-reflective coating.
A PECVD chamber applies the blue anti-reflective coating.
Micropyramid texturing reduces sunlight reflection.
Each cell is tested for voltage and efficiency.
Cells pass through a furnace to bond electrical contacts. Each cell is tested for voltage and efficiency. Cells are sorted by performance grade.
Cells are arranged into electrical strings.
Metal ribbons connect the cells.
Layers: glass, EVA, cells, EVA, backsheet.
Vacuum lamination seals everything together.
Cooling stabilizes the laminated panel.
The junction box safely transfers power.
A strong aluminum frame is added.
Panels are cleaned for maximum sunlight. A bright flash measures the solar panel's power. Electroluminescence reveals micro cracks.
Each panel undergoes a final inspection.
Panels are stacked safely with foam protection.
Heavy wrapping protects the shipment.
Pallets move to the loading dock.
Solar panels ship worldwide. Sunlight knocks electrons loose. Cells generate DC electricity. The inverter converts DC into AC power. Clean solar energy powers your home. That's how solar panels are made, from sand to electricity.